Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Okay, now I'm gonna loosen the belt and remove the belt. So it's a good chance we usually have the air filter here, so it's hard to see which screws you're gonna loosen. But what you're gonna do first is loosen you can see it, these two screws, this one and this one. That will let the power steering unit to shift. Loosen this screw, you see this screw, and then that will let the tensioner to move, and loosen this screw will let the power steering unit to shift. Okay, use the 30mm wrench. So loosen these two screws, and then down here one screw, and then same 30mm, but I'm gonna use the ratchet to loosen the tensioner screw. Okay, and then as you can see, you can move this guy. Oh, you may also need to loosen this guy. My truck, this guy is kind of thread is screwed up, so it's not really working. And you can remove the belt. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna put the new belt. Okay, make sure that each group is on the pulleys and well aligned. Okay, I'm gonna tighten the tensioner, and I hope you can see this is you see the screw here. This guy is sticking out as you tighten the tensioner. This is how you pull this entire power steering unit back. Okay, I think it's good. Then screw this, tighten this one back, and then these two screws. Okay,